Welcome back, everybody. Today we are focusing on the marbling method. Right now I'm just mixing up a batch of resin. I have about 6 ounces of resin in this cup. I'm super excited to show you this method. It's a lot simpler than I originally thought it was going to be. I was expecting it to be difficult, but then after some research I was like, oh, hey, that's actually really easy. We can do this. So I'm just steady mixing this. Like I said, there's 6 ounces of resin here, so you've got 3 ounces of your part A and 3 ounces of your part B. And we're going to do that double cup method that I talk about in all my other videos, just to make sure that resin gets completely and thoroughly mixed up, scraping the sides, scraping the bottom, cleaning off your tool stick, getting it all nice and clear. You want no fogginess, you want no of those stringies in there, you just want to get it all mixed up. And you can see off the camera right there, I've got my 3 colors. We're going to be doing a red, orange, and yellow. Now I know it's almost Christmas time, but, well, it is Christmas time, but I still like those 3 colors together. It comes out really pretty. And this one went so well, then I also want to try a Christmas theme one next. So that'll be a lot of fun, so make sure you keep an eye out for that video. Possibly tomorrow. So I'm just finishing stirring this up. There, looks like we got a good mix going on there. And then I'm going to divide it into 3 different cups. That way we have 1 cup for the red, 1 cup for the yellow, and 1 cup for the orange. So with the marbling method, you're going to put your mica powder in with your ounces of resin. I'm separating them into 2 ounces per cup. Then you're going to add your mica powder in, and surprisingly enough, you're going to add Elmer's glue, the clear kind. Make sure it's the clear kind, because if you use the white kind, then it's going to really dull out that pigment color. You really want to make sure you grab the clear glue. I just love how bold the colors are. But that clear glue is going to bind with it, and it's going to make it thicker so that the colors don't run. That way they don't mix together. I would never have thought of that, but that is so awesome. Alright, so we've got our resin divided into 3 cups. And then we're going to start adding that mica powder in. Wipe off my spatula. It really does make it so much easier if you clean up as you go and you wipe things down as you go. So I'm just going to add 2 scoops of the red mica powder to this cup. Give it a really good stir. You see how thin it is still? How it's still got that liquidy texture? You want to watch when we add the glue to it. Watch what it does. So I've got 2 ounces of resin, so I'm going to do 2 drops of the glue and then mix that up. Look at that. You see how it's thicker? And it's almost got like a slime texture to it? That's what you're looking for, that slightly slime texture. Do the orange the same way. Mix that all up. Two drops of glue. And we got that really cool slime texture. And you really want to get it incorporated in there so all of the resin has that glue texture to it. And repeat that process with the yellow. And 2 drops of glue. Mix it all in. She pours the colors in a dream. And there we go. Now this is the mold we're going to be using. It's a rectangular tray. First, we're going to start with our red. Now, one thing I did notice, it's very hard to do a slow pour with this because it's thicker. It drops down thicker, so it doesn't like stream. It just kind of globs. So this definitely was a practice run, but it turned out really pretty. And I didn't have any rhyme or reason with this. I just started adding colors. This is my first time doing it this way, so I was just like, you know what, let's just go for it. We'll just drop it in and see what happens. Put some yellow over there, with the corners. We're gonna add a little more red. And now this is where you want to take a clean stick, and I'm just marbling it. Back and forth, making those swirl patterns. I'm already loving the way this looks. And then go back the other way. And because I can fit more resin in this tray, I'm making sure I do that bottom layer first, because that's the layer you're going to see when you flip the piece over. And then I'm going to go in with some more resin and continue filling it up. But I'm not as meticulous with the second pour because that bottom pour is really what you're going to see. Get every last ounce of that goodness out of there. And then our orange. Making sure you fill that mold all the way up. I'm just double checking that I got every ounce out of each one of those containers that I can. Those colors just look so beautiful together. And then we're going to swirl that too. I decided not to do the second swirl on it because I really like the way that looked. Check that out, you guys.